How digital marketing will change in 2018, 15 top trends. 10 marketing trends to act on in 2018, smart insights. 5 most important digital marketing trends for 2018. Digital marketing has been with us over a decade, but it is the need of the hour and it will be with us forever. As a result, digital marketing trends has become an important part of every business nowadays. If you are a digital marketer, then you must be aware of various important techniques of digital marketing, but the smart marketer should work by keeping in mind the current trends in digital marketing. Here are the 5 important prognoses of digital marketing trends for 2018. Rise in influencer marketing. More than 80% of the marketer prefers to do influencer marketing campaign at least once in a year. It has been gaining popularity over the past few years, exclusively on social media. Realistic storytelling has no filter. Customers love to adopt the things that are conveyed by some famous people or that is shown through a profound story. In order to assure credibility with suspicious audiences, most of the brands in 2018 will focus to engage their audience through live video through various social media channels. Video marketing is a good medium to engage the audience. It encourages people to like, comment and share. Brands are king their video marketing campaign phenomena. Popular by involving celebrities. Digital marketing trends for 2018, top marketing trends 2018, digital marketing trends 2018. Digital marketing trends of 2018, online marketing trends 2018. Micro moments. Enlightening people's search behavior and customer expectations can be helpful for marketers. The micro moments conversation has rendered a roadmap for businesses who want to approach a formidable force that is mobile. Micro moments have been increasing customer expectations. Everyone is persistently checking new notifications and chatting with a friend on social media and trying to find out some new things. However, sometimes people work on a need. It can be a need to now lemon or which rest will be better for making a trip to Goa. These are the most important moments that actually matters. Google's idea of micro moments demonstrates the new verge of digital marketing. Whatever happens in real time is on demand. Geo-targeting. This is like tailored location-based marketing. There are different ways through which you can achieve it, like local search ads, social media, cross-technology location-based marketing, real-time geolocation marketing. Chatbots. Chatbot mainly functions in association with artificial intelligence and plays a significant role when it comes to dealing with customers. A chatbot is one of the major digital marketing trends for 2018. Chatbots are creating dynamic and new ways in which businesses customer service. Here, I have explained some of the major digital marketing trends of 2018. There are few more also. You can share your viewpoints with me and some new trends. It's not